सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. McLeod Russell India Limited informed the stock exchanges that the NCLT, New Delhi, has dismissed the restoration application filed by Techno Electric and Engineering Company Limited concerning an alleged default amount of 30 crore. The application was withdrawn after the corporate debtor discharged its liability to the creditors through a third party, Lightbeam Holdings Private Limited. Tattva Chintan Pharma Chem Limited has received an international export order worth $3,555,000 (29.95 crore Indian rupees) for the supply of specialty chemicals under the Pharma and Agro Intermediates and Specialty Chemicals (PSC) category. The order is to be delivered in November/December 2025. Goldtime International Limited has received export orders worth 80 crore for lab-grown diamond jewelry. These orders are from international clients and are expected to be fulfilled by July 8, 2025. This announcement is made pursuant to SEBI Circular No. CIR/CFT/CMD/4/2015 dated September 9, 2015. Power and Instrumentation, Gujarat, Limited, PIGL, has received a work order worth 21 crore 40,86,042 rupees, including GST, from Naiti Engineering and Construction Private Limited. The order is for the design, supply, installation, testing, commissioning, and client handover of a power supply system electrical work at Udaipur Air Terminal, Rajasthan. The project is expected to be completed within 6 months from the effective date of the contract. Shelter Pharma Limited has received an order worth $138,075 from Taha Drugs and Chemicals Company Limited, Sudan, for the supply of nutraceutical capsules and tablets. The order is to be executed within 2 months. This is a significant order for Shelter Pharma and reflects their growing presence in the international market. Azad Engineering Limited has secured a significant long-term supply agreement with GE Steam Power GmbH for the manufacture and supply of advanced airfoils for nuclear, industrial, and thermal power industries. The contract, valued at approximately $53.5 million (452.48 crore Indian rupees), will span 6 years and represents a strategic partnership between the two companies. This agreement strengthens Azad Engineering's position in the global power generation market. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।